Hey guys, I'm back again with another Sol's Orange video. Today I'm trying to get the strange controller and the windstorm device. And I'm also going to do all of my daily quests. This is my progress on jackpot and exotic device. All I need is exotic and undead for exotic device. So far, I haven't started windstorm, but in this vid I am gonna start it. It doesn't seem too hard. I'm gonna see what my daily quests are. Getting starfall biome might be too hard. These quests are really easy, and they have good rewards, so let's do them. Should I try get heavenly potion? It looks hard though. Let's start with the obby blessing quest. I can just server hop to do the obby again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and finally 5. Now I'm going to collect 4 more speed potions. Found a lucky potion, but no speed potions yet. Let's see the progress. Brew. I haven't gotten much at all. I rolled 300 times and found a speed potion. I rolled powered. Nice. Bro, where did my undefined go? I'm gonna sort out my inventory and start locking auras so then I don't lose rare auras ever again. Final speed potion. Goal 1 completed. Now, I have to get a corruptane or finish the windstorm device. Another rage heated. After being away from keyboard for a bit, I got aquatic and finished Siderium. I decided to away from keyboard for a bit, and I got the corruption biome. Bro, where is the corrupting? I think it despawned. That's pretty unlucky. Nice. I rolled corrosive. This is where I got aquatic, BW. I mixed up the record orders. What's this? Oh, nice. It's solar. I'm gonna use it for eclipse. I couldn't get a single gear basin. I'm gonna end the video here. Bye, thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.